Imagine yourself in this 2003 Dodge Neon. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine that gives you more control with its manual transmission. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.